There's this moment in time you wish everything to come back. And it hurts because you know it will never come back. I was searching for somebody to fly with near my location. We met through YouTube, and by chance we became good friends. And when the best time was up, you were gone. Someone once wrote, "Humans can only find out about their best times in life after they occurred." So now I look back at the best times of my yet short life and just want to take a moment in the now being to say, thank you. Thank you for the awesome time we had together, and happy birthday. See you.